To install unknown apps in Honor 600 Pro, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to navigate all the way down and then select security and privacy right here. If you scroll down again to the bottom, click on more security and privacy and select option to install apps from unknown from external sources. Then you can go, for example, for the Files app and then activate this option right here. It may ask you to disable advanced protection, so you will need to head to the settings again. So go back to the security and privacy and click on advanced protection. Here you'll be able to disable it, which should unlock that option. So we can go back right there and select the files again and allow its permission. Now to install those unknown files, you will need to open the Files app, and then you can click on the My Files and on the Browse, and then go for the file location where you have the app file and install it by clicking on it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.